Hi friends and welcome to Miss Disney Reviews. I am Peppa Pig and this is my brother George. We would like to open this box of 2 Kinder Surprise eggs for Christmas. Dinosaur? No George, this is a snowman. Snowman! Whee! Alright, so let's see what's inside this box, but let's check it out. We have a snowman here and there's a really nice wintry scene. You can give it to your friend or family. You can write your names here. It's a very nice little Christmas present. There are 2 eggs inside. So let's see what we've got in our first Christmas Kinder Surprise egg. Cool, so here's the surprise. Ooh, it's a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Whee! This is how it works. For the next Kinder Surprise egg. Here's a surprise. Cool, and it's a really nice big whale. Let's check out the flyer. So this is, I guess, the botanic. So here is the name. It shows the length of the whale, how much it weighs, and what it can eat. Cool, and if you actually put it in water, it will squirt out some water. That's very awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Miss Disney Reviews. Thank you.